In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on Substack, a platform that offers a great space for meaningful discussions and reader engagement. Whether you're a content creator putting your voice out there or simply an enthusiastic participant enjoying the community spirit, understanding the comment section can enrich your experience on this platform. So, let's delve into how you can browse and interact with comments on Substack seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Substack homepage. This hub is essentially where all your activity takes place, showcasing your articles, notes, and anything else you've been working on. It's your starting point for accessing and managing your content. When you're there, take a brief moment to scroll through your posts and identify the piece that you wish to focus on. It might be a recent publication that's been stirring up conversation or perhaps an older post that has sparked renewed interest. Once you've pinpointed that particular entry, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now, with the post fully open, you'll notice that just beneath the main content sits the comment section. This is your gateway to seeing how your audience has been engaging with the material. The comments left by readers can be a rich repository of feedback, inquiries, or even commendations, all of which provide a window into how your content resonates with your audience. As you scroll through, absorb the insights shared by your readers. Often, these remarks contain valuable criticism or appreciation that can guide your future content decisions. If you're logged into your Substack account, your experience goes beyond just reading these contributions. You are invited to join the conversation by replying directly to any comment in the section. This interaction could involve providing further insights, answering questions, or even taking a moment to express gratitude for their engagement. Regularly engaging in this way not only strengthens community ties but also fosters a continuous dialogue with your audience, encouraging them to return and interact with future posts. Furthermore, you have the option to like comments. This quick thumbs up is a simple yet effective way to acknowledge a reader's effort without the need for a lengthy reply, reinforcing their engagement and presence. It's remarkable how this small gesture can make your audience feel appreciated and valued. By taking these steps to engage through comments, you are not only enhancing your understanding of what your readers think but also contributing to creating a more vibrant and supportive community around your work. So that's how you can view and interact with comments on Substack, a straightforward yet powerful way to build a connection with your readers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you create more engaging and dynamic interactions on your Substack journey.